Hoka hoka hey, BOOZHOO niche, Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and in the studio with me this morning, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing?
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What should be our Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, are you going to talk about the migration story?
Yeah, I was thinking I might.
Why don't you talk about something like that?
Well, how about then we'll make our Ojibwe word Bapa Migozi, to move from where you live. Bapa Migozi is our Ojibwe word of the day. And because I would like to tell the story of the Ojibwe migration.
Oh.
The story of how, we didn't always live in Minnesota.
Mm-hmm. I know, huh?
Yeah, back in the days of the grandfathers, we used to live out by Niagara Falls.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is the story of how we came to Minnesota. So back in the days of the grandfathers, the Anishinaabe people lived way out east. They lived out by Niagara Falls. And, there came a day when a medicine man had a vision. Kbxe, the Great Spirit, he comes down. And he says, hey, there's a feeling I get when I look to the west. Listen, I want you to pack up, get everybody together, and I want you to move west. And the medicine man was like, okay, Great Spirit. And, how far west? And Great Spirit says, You'll know you're there when you come to the place where food grows on the water. And the medicine man was like, yeah, look, Kbxe. No offense, but I think you mean when food grows in the water, like fish, we're fishermen. And Kbxe was like, hey, don't get smart. Nah. He goes, no, you'll know what I'm talking about. Just trust me. I want you to pack up the canoes and go until you come to the place where food grows on the water. And I'm not talking about ducks. So they pack up all their stuff and they head out. And they canoe, and they canoe, and they canoe, and then, until their arms are just tired. And then finally they come to a place where there's manuman. They come to the place of wild rice, and they're like, this must be the place. Now I get it, where food grows on the water, because, it looks like it's on the water.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the only problem was that, there are already people out here, the Dakota. And so the Anishinaabe came out here, and they're like, hey, how you guys doing? This is our new home. And the Dakota were like, how you guys? But no, this is our home, and But the guy goes, well, Kbxe, he told us that we're to be the people here, and we will eat the wild rice. And the Dakota were like, well, we don't like wild rice. We like eating our puppies.
What?
And so the Anishinaabe were like, you eat your puppies? Well, listen, we met some French people along the way, and they gave us this 6-shooter.
Nah.
So say hello to my little friend. And this was the beginning of the end.
Oh, jeez.
For the Metawakan Dakota Oyate living in northern Minnesota.
Oh.
Nah. I don't know what the story is. That's the way I heard it. All right. You want to add anything more here, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good. You just want to sign out?
Can you sign us out?
All right. Well, hey, everyone. Just want to say, miigwech bizendaw yeg. thank you for listening to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawapamin, Minawa, Hoa.
Oh, you did just good.
Ah, thanks, sweetie.